Alright guys, what I've got here is a really quick tutorial. Now what I want to do is I want to show you how to make a login system. Now what you want to do, first thing you want to do is create a project. So click on create project and it'll load up with the box, and I'll name this login system 1. Right, and then click OK. And just wait for your form to load up. And what it'll do, it'll load up, and you can resize it to whatever size you want. Big, small, really big, really small. Right, so once your form's loaded, I want to make it whatever size you want. So I'll make mine that big. Then you want to name it login system. Right? Once you've named it login system, click there and just don't here where it says show icon. Go on the drop down menu and put false, so it won't show the icon there. And then make the form border style fixed single and maximize box false. Right. So once you're ready with that, you want to add a button, two text boxes. Right, so you've got text box 1 and text box 2, so this should be text box 1 or 2, it's text box 2, text box 1, and a login button. That's all really you need, and two labels. Right, so label 2, label 1. Right, you don't have to name any of it yet, and you can name label 1 username and a colon, put a capital U there, and name label 2 password. Right, and then resize that so it fits, and then the password box you want, scroll down, use system password char, true, and then put maximum length, I don't know, 10, and then make it a bit bigger. And then what you're going to do is, if you're using this just to distribute and you don't want loads of members, you want to call this button login, and then double click on it and it'll bring up a code, and it's the simplest code. It'll be in the description. Simplest code ever. Just type in if text box 1 dot text equals, I don't know, hello, or like for you could put username 1 and text box 2 dot text equals password 1, then message box, spell that wrong, message box you are successfully logged in, and then just put message box dot style, oh crap, no, it's not message box dot style, it's message box style dot information, and then put welcome there. Okay, so once you've done that, press enter and then type in else message box, all in capitals, wrong username and password, message box style dot critical error. Let's test it out. So username 1 and password 1, capital P. It's all case sensitive. It loads up. it is, right? So type in username 1, password 1, and watch, I'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I can't fit any more characters in. Won't let me. So password 1. Log in. You're successfully logged in. Or I'll just put hello as the password. Wrong username and password. And if you want it to take you somewhere, just go here. Just go me.hide form2.show. It'll come up with an error, and just go project, add Windows form, form 2. I don't know, on form 2 I'll just put a big button. I'll put a really big button that says hi. And then you can put a code in there, like message box hi, like that, and it'll just, and then when you click this and you type in username 1, password, put it in wrong, password 1, login, okay, hi, and you've got to take a, see, also this is a good way of having different types of members. Say you want one person to be administrator and one person to be like normal, so you just go, keep the else and just go else, no, not else if, sorry, did that wrong. Just go here and just go if text box 1.text equals, I know, username 2 and text, spell text box wrong, text box 2.text equals password 2, then message box, and what you do is just copy this message box and paste it, and you can have as many of these as you want. You can have 20 million users if you want. So it's username 1, password 2, change that to small, username 1, password 1, username 2, password 2. So, and then I'll just go me.hide me.hide just put your mouse there. Just type in form3.show, and what it'll do is make a new one just for this type of person, and it'll be like just for, I don't know, admins or other type of users. Right, so you want to name it admin click, and then, or whatever you want, this is just a joke, and then put message box welcome admin, and that's it. And then you can test it. You can test it by clicking the debug button, and now username 2, password 2, login. It's actually logged in. Welcome admin. And what's done there is because what I've done is I put it in the same thing, so it comes up with that. So what you're going to do is you want to go like this, and you want to go else if text box 1 dot text and text box 2 dot text equals 2 of them, then message box, wrong username and password, message box style dot critical error. And then what it'll do, if there's nothing in the text boxes, I'll have to put an end if there. End if. Right, if there's nothing in the text boxes, let's take that off. Right, so that's what it should look like. And you start debugging it, and hopefully there's nothing in the text boxes. Hey, wrong username and password. And this is the concept I've used for my YouTube subscriber, which is